Jayna plays conductor at the train museum Omiya, Saitama, Japan.
Stopping position, okay.
Okay, please open the door. Okay. The door check. Pointing on the side.
Red lantern on.
Okay, come here. Pointing on the side.
Green light turn on.
Okay, think the departure bird.
1, 2, 3.
Please close the door. Pointing on the side.
Red lantern off.
Okay, the please look ahead. Safety check on the platform.
Safety check, ah.
The rear check. Pointing on the side.
Back is okay.
Okay, the please look ahead. Next station, non-stop station. Safety check on the platform.
Announcement time, right? Wait, ah.
Rear check. Pointing on the side. Looking okay.
It's okay.
Okay. Announcement mic. Number 1.
The next station is Akihabara. The doors on the right side will open. The stop after Akihabara will be Tokyo.
Okay. And please look ahead.
Stop at 10, ah.
Okay.
Yeah, stop at 10. Point at
Pointing on
10.
the side.
Stopping position, okay.
Okay, please open the door. Pointing on the side.
Red lantern on.
Okay, come here.
Come down and point.
Pointing on
Green light on.
and departure bell. Please close the door. Wash, Jayna, wash the pants. Yeah. Please open the door again.
See, there's a passenger there. Trying to get in.
Oh, see, you have to get every old passenger in.
Hey, close the door now.
Please close the door. Just how you close the door before people do it. Pointing on the side.
There's another passenger.
Red lantern.
Oh, so small. Oh, pointing on. Yeah, check. Pointing on side. Back is okay.
Back is okay.
Okay. The next station, non-stop station. Oh, look ahead, look ahead.
It's a non-stop. We won't stop there. We'll just go by.
The rear check. Pointing on side.
Back is okay.
Okay. Announcement mic number 2.
The next station is Tokyo. The doors on the right side will open. Thank you for training us and look forward to serving you again.
Okay. The please look ahead. The station is the final stop. Tokyo Station.
Final stop. We'll stop at number 10, ah. Point number 10 again.
We're already at number 10,
Later.
but now we're
Sorry. Simulator.
number 10.
Conductor, driver carrier.
Yeah, once you reach number 10,
On number 10.
point.
Jayna, point number 10. Point number 10. Pointing on the side. Stopping.
Stopping position, okay.
Please open the door. Last. Pointing on side.
Red lantern on.
Okay, so that's all. It's a finish. Oh, thank you. Jayna, say thank you.
Thank you.
You want to close the door?
It's really fun. Oh, thank you.